Do you believe you have complete control over your brand? In a world of Facebook, Amazon, Twitter, and every other social media platform on the market, a company's success is dependent upon their ability to listen, to build relationships, and to adapt in a changing market. And the consumer's voice carries more weight today than it ever has in the past. LinkedIn is a search tool. The search engines learn who you are and what you know based on what your LinkedIn profile says. Participating in groups is actually how you generate business. People are smart. They really are. We have access to everything at the tips of our fingers. Yes, LinkedIn endorsements matter. You've said you're an expert in these skills. I'm now going to ask your first-degree connections if what you say is actually true.